Hi, I'm Sriram Joshi and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. So let's see what we have in today's video. So for making our pen stand, we will use these craft papers of standard size A4 size 21 centimeter by 29 centimeter. I'm using two papers of light shade and two papers of contrasting dark shade. Then we will use scissor, pencil, small cardboard paper. We will not require this much paper, but small cardboard paper will be small portion, we will make use of it. Then a good quality of glue and scale. So that's it, the material what we require. So let's start working how we have to go about it. So I'm starting with this paper. So just make this paper into two parts. Use this long side to fold. So let's make this paper into two halves. Now let's see what we have to make. We have to make this particular portion into perfect square. So fold it this way. So we have created this in perfect square. Now just fold it into half from parallel sides. And then fold this edge up to the center edge, center fold. Same way we have to fold this up to the center fold. Align it properly. Now fold this entire portion below. Just see that you are folding and these corners are getting correctly folded. So this should get aligned to your top edge. Now we have to fold this way, right? So that our triangle shape will come at the outside of our fold. So align it properly, fold it properly, right? So this our fold is ready. Likewise, we have to do it for this fold also. So from one paper we will make these two folded items. Likewise, from all four papers we will in total have 8 folded items, 4 of this color and 4 of dark color. So let's make it. So I'm ready with the all 8 pieces. Now we will have to see how to assemble these pieces to make our final pen stand. So let's take one pair of these two colors and let's see how we have to make the pair out of it. Now if I open this thing, you can see a triangle this side, right? So this is a light color shade paper and this is a dark color shade paper, right? Everywhere we are having this triangle on the outside. So just remember how to assemble this. Just keep this triangle on your left hand side, a dark piece on your left hand side and light shade piece on your right hand side. Now keeping these two triangles on the upside, for this light shade just turn it around this way, upside down, and this shade towards up and this for this shade light shade triangle towards down. Now fold it and keep it this way. So your this edge is aligned this way and fold this in this way, aligning this edge from the top side, so that as if these both can fit together and meet at this edge. Now remember, we have to assemble these together by putting these two edges inside. Light shade paper's edge inside this flap as well as from this side also inside this flap. So remember, just see how I am putting this inside from this side as well as from this side and making it tight. Once you're done with this, you can able to see that you can open it from this end and it's completely hollow. It's completely hollow, right? And your dark shade is inside, not the light shade. A complete dark shade is inside. So make it tight. If you make any mistake, if I show you, instead of doing this way, that light shade triangle upside down and this triangle this way, instead of doing, if you make any mistake in doing this thing, like you keep it this way, but while folding it you folded it in some other wrong way and try to put it, then what will happen if you try to put this, because these edges will align, but if you try to put this way in some other wrong way, then this may match, but when you try to open it, it will open like this. It will not have that complete pattern. So just remember, this assembly is very important, the way in which it has to be done. So just remember, this dark shade triangle upside, light shade triangle downside, then fold it inside, and then assemble these together by putting light shade inside the dark shades, and then align it properly so that you will get this particular box like structure. Now you have to see that this alignment fits properly. If your folds are proper, then this alignment will be there. Try to match as close as possible, and then just open this one and fold it at the center this way. Make these two edges sharp and clean. Right, and then open up. So you can see we have created this box like structure, which is with two colors, dark shade as well as light shade. Likewise, we have to make these boxes from pairs, taking pairs. So we will make 4 such boxes out of these remaining papers. So this pair, and this pair. So let's make it. So I'm ready with these 4 boxes. Now let's align them together to make our pen stand. Now just remember, we have to make some certain pattern while aligning them together. Choose any color for pattern creation. Suppose I am selecting this light color, then if it is going this way down, I will have to match similar line going upward here this way. So let's paste first these 2. So I'm aligning this properly. This is going down, this is coming up. So I will stick these 2 together. So now we are following this pattern. This is going this way upward. If you change from here, it is going upward. So we have to bring it down from here now. So this piece this way. So let's paste this piece this way here. Now in continuation with this pattern, this is going down, up, down here. Now we'll have to choose this piece and we'll have to align this way. So automatically from this side it will get aligned to our required pattern. So let's paste this from both sides. So this way we have maintained our color pattern. This is going up, going down, down and up again and down. So it will look very nice, and since we have folded in particular way, all the inside colors are of dark shade. Now we'll have to put some base cardboard paper so that our pen stand will get ready. So let's cut the cardboard to the required size. So I'm taking this cardboard, I'm putting it here. I need not have to have this entire cardboard, and let's mark with pencil how much we require. We will cut only that much cardboard paper. So let's apply glue on edges. If we apply some glue on these edges, it will fit properly. Apply some pressure so that all the corners will get stuck to your cardboard firmly. If you feel so, just keep some weight on top of it and let it get dry for some time. Just keep any book or something on top of it and let it get dry properly so that your cardboard will firmly get stuck to your pen stand. So I'm keeping it for drying for some time. So it is dry now completely. So in this way, your nice elegant pen stand is ready. You can customize it by putting your own name, like I have done it for my pen stand. So this I have created. I've chosen another shade of dark color to suit this thing, and I have put my name here, Sriram. So this is how you can make a beautiful and simple pen stand. I hope you like it, and I'm sure you will definitely love to make it on your own. So keep watching my channel and decorate your home with these beautiful ideas. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and send your feedback in comment section. Also click on bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.